In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Justdial in Freshsales. By the end, you'll have a simple, automated flow that sends new leads from Justdial straight into your Freshsales or Freshsales Suite account, so your sales team can act quickly without manual data entry. First, sign up for or log into Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an automation tool that links apps together using triggers and actions. If you already use it, just head to your dashboard. If you're new, the sign-up is quick, and once you're in, you'll be ready to create your workflow. It's helpful to have your Justdial and Freshsales accounts open in separate tabs, since Pabbly may prompt you to authorize connections during setup. Create a new workflow in Pabbly Connect and set your trigger to Justdial. Choose an event like New Lead in Justdial. A trigger is simply the event that starts your automation, in this case, whenever a new lead appears in Justdial. If Pabbly asks you to connect your Justdial account, follow the on-screen steps and confirm the permissions, then fetch or sample a recent lead so Pabbly can pull in example data for mapping later. This sample helps ensure the right fields line up. Next, define your action. Choose Freshsales or Freshsales Suite as the action app. Select what you want to happen when a new Justdial lead arrives. Common choices are create contact or create deal, depending on your sales process. If you're building a pipeline immediately, you might create both a contact and a deal in separate actions within the same workflow. If you focus on contact enrichment first, start with create contact. Pabbly will prompt you to connect your Freshsales account, authorize it, and you'll see the available fields to fill in. Now map the fields from Justdial to Freshsales. Take the lead's name, phone number, email address, and any other details, and match them to the corresponding Freshsales fields. Pay close attention to formatting, especially for phone numbers with country codes, and make sure your primary identifier, usually email or phone, is mapped consistently to reduce duplicates. If you have custom fields in Freshsales, map relevant Justdial data into those as well, so your team gets complete context. When everything looks correct, save and activate the workflow. Turning it on ensures the automation runs in the background. From here on, every time a new lead is created in Justdial, it will automatically flow into Freshsales based on your mappings. You can monitor the first few runs in Pabbly's task history or check your Freshsales contacts and deals to confirm records are appearing as expected. And that's it. You've connected Justdial to Freshsales with Pabbly Connect for a faster, cleaner lead handoff.